Yeah. Big up, big up, big up. Big up to all my Jamaica walk by massive. So we're then a mere pen. I will go walk some different part in a Maypen right about now. Some places I never walk yet. You see me? I will not find probably never see it and thing as we go through. See, remember it's not a narrating video. The video is just the persons them who want to see Maypen and vicinities them in a Maypen. Please me ask if you like the video. Just I do some videos where who appreciate it will watch it. You know what I mean? I don't know who are going to watch it, who are going to find the video interesting or anything like that. You see me? But I just do it same way, same speed. You understand? So, we are going to make a turn off down the road. And we are going to walk someplace. So yeah, this is Maypen Town. So yeah, let's do it like this. So it's not a narrating video, as I say, this is a video for those persons who know Maypen and see it for a very long time. I want to get the opportunity to see it and just feel like them a walk with me. Seeing as we go through the town. It's massive. That is it. So big up again to everybody who joined right now and who actually I love the video so far as it starts. You see me? Yeah. Man, that is it, man. So let's do this. So you don't know the copyright thing already, so I could do it fast and walk through them copyright car. Somehow I forget the muting device again. I tell you, I hate doing that, you see me? So make we move through from the music and go through. So I say we're in the heart of Maypen Town actually, and we're going to jump on some avenues and some lane running us for a long while. And some of them never walk it in a Jamaica walk by videos. You see me I say? So watch out for that one and stay tuned. Nah, narrate. We just take time walk through, make you see the vibe of the place or how the place look like in an hour time. So if you stay tuned right now, that means that the video have you and yeah, support by watching and stuff like that. Please may I beg you, if you like the video, do like the video as you watch. And also please may I beg you, drop some comment in the comment section. You can comment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 times. You see me? Emojis are good enough. You don't know. Because emoji explain how you feel and how you see the videos in. Yeah, man. Let's go. So first avenue we are turning off on a Fernley. So with the on Fernley, I go through. And I say Jamaica is a nice country, music always a play everywhere. Everywhere. So more time. If you get rid of the copyright then more time, you know the thing going to go hard. So yeah, we have to do it just like how we are doing it now if we get rid of the copyright. So we not get caught up in them business because I don't know who own the music want to be paid for it. So them don't want nobody else to stream them thing, you see me? So me fully respect that because I don't know me the artist, so me know the thing go. Alright? Madam bad. We dep on it. So we dep on Fernley. We will take the right turn up on Nelson Street. Greetings, greetings. Yeah. Yeah, massive. So let's go, let's do this. Alright. You there? Every day, boy. Remember me telling about them furniture brother they over there, so yeah man, I truth, you know. Yeah. Them did the kitchen set for me, I tell you. Mad. Why am I never aware of the plaza? Like, whoa, over there, sir. Try to remember up on the front, but yeah, totally never have a send of me. No, my G. Yeah, boy. So, currently on Chapelton Road, and we are head down to Pinwinky, because Pinwinky is on my left. You understand? Good evening. So we are reached down on Pinwinky. Pinwinky is on my left, as me that say. But we now go turn on here so because you know one of the previous video then we turn on Pinwinky. So we have to go straight on Chapelton Road, is it? So we actually now still up on Chapelton Road and we just pass Pinwinky Avenue as we move through, you see it? Let's go, man. Good evening. So I have to tell you the truth, them places where me walk right now don't have really such a good rep, but you don't know anything. More time you have to just try walk through for yourself, see what go on and think, but you don't know if down here so actually did a big flare or crazy thing are going down here. You know that never get me walk down here, you see me I say? So no joke, so that's why I chance it today, because everything seems good, everything seems pretty. So we are take the left here, you see me? Don't know what Box Avenue and all of them places we are walk through here, so make us see what go on, you see? Let's go. I been say we walk some place enough people never see, enough people never walk. yeah, we're going. It's been a great walk and we are continuing. You see me I say? So I'm gonna ask you more videos for me pen, so make you go and do them, you see me? Yeah, man. Yes, Godfather. So yeah, massive, as we roll through, may I hope that if you now watch the video right now, on the drop a like on the video, please may I beg you know, drop a few comments in the comment section right about now. You understand? It's a great vibe, it's a subtle vibe, and we love what go on. See? Yeah, so big up to all like massive them way. Say them love the Maypen video them and they want to say more of the Maypen video them where do them want to feel own, see? Yeah, no joke, no doubt. So from the day in the comment section, make sure say uno do the right thing. Because I wanna ask it, I wanna get it. You see me? Alright, so uno do the right thing. That me I tell you now. Man, let's go. Boy, It's a vibe. Oh man. The road that fixed nice and thing, it's a good look. The road that did so bad. It's a right thing, man, no joke. Oi. Godfather them. Greetings. Alright, so you know you can walk the way they go Chapelton side, or you drive and thing, or if you go straight across you go way down some more down towards the hospital side. And if you go that way, this bring you out to Glenmore Road, see? So we actually do a video and stop down that side, so we not go that side this time, we go straight across the road. Straight across. I could do it. Take a left here. And over here to fix the smart TV them. Alright. Now I know about one spot to fix smart TV. If you have smart TV we want to fix, you can do it, yeah, so. Alright then, I have one I want to fix, you know, so definitely I go carry come. Alright. So we're there next spot. Alright, you don't know the little turn off here, bring you back towards the new supermarket and thing and go for hospital towards the hospital road. See me down there, so which is the main road. You see me? I think we done the road name again in Manchester. Alright, we now go down there so today because we walk past down there to go towards the hospital what day. So we are continue the right turn here. Now take the left down here, so see? Let's go. Let's try to do some place where we not typically walk. Alright, let's go, man. Alright, so hold on, man. Alright, so I'm going to mute this. You know me not play with nothing when it comes down to Buju Banton. Now Buju Banton people, they love strike people videos. So, yeah. I don't have to mute out the whole of that. Good evening, mommy. Have water?
Yeah.
When not cool?
Yeah.
Yeah, the same one, please. Ah, yes, one there. Can I risk my thing right here, sir?
I think you want to give me.
No, the one that I use and live. Blessed love and respect Jamaica walk by. You know, for me, I walk from way up in a Maypen.
Yes, every time me ask somebody where they get.
I buy that one online. Yeah. Well, kind of dear, you can probably get that one for $100 US. So, yeah, no.
Online?
Yeah. Take it, Oh, I build up my shit and all them things there. You go on so?
So what you do?
Just walk and video.
Oh, yeah, video.
Like natural life.
Oh.
Walk and talk to people, relax, all the vibe. Show people, so for instance, say you migrate and go on a foreign and you see all them places for a long time. And you just see somebody walk through and talk to somebody and you say, you didn't plan to miss chance that. Or the fat valley that. And there's some used to live or when me a kid we just run up and down, they say, how the place change up? And so just show people a place. Look in an hour time. That you see, changes make or nothing make or glad you make or Whatever. Really cool. You live in the area.
You live in a area now?
Sandy Bay side.
Sandy Bay? So you do those sort of far?
Walk, we go everywhere in Jamaica, go walk. Walk for miles and walk for hours. Racetrack.
Racetrack, you have a
Oh, you might drive.
That's what they drive. That's a highway.
I bypass.
I bypass, yes. Yeah, but I bypass.
They cut out them from the traffic from going out town.
I saw them not carry there, but majority, every one of them, privately, all of them drive fast. Privately, all of them.
I walk from police station road, come straight after walk down go through they call it come down in a Maple town and then we take through so I want in front of the Scotia Bank, but that lane they represent.
Oh, Brian's Christian.
And a Brian's.
Scotia Bank?
Yeah, after you pass Scotia Bank, you left over there somewhere. Now which one that there? I don't remember.
Louis Bank.
What do you want the name again, man? When you walk from Bargain Village and come down and you pass the Scotia Bank, you know, left turn the right there, so in front of, and then you don't reach the first Caribbean yet.
Garden Street?
Yeah.
Something there that Fernley.
Yeah. Right at NCB Bank, yeah, man. You never can remember Fernley. Okay. Oh yeah. You don't forget milk water because God no.
You're thirsty.
Me thirsty.
But you not drink ice water?
Yeah, you know, but through me sign up, so you have to eat back off. So respect our manners and art of love here. Take it easy. Go and sell. Grace of God, everything we sell off.
You not go sell off, you not go sell off, but whatsoever sell, you give thanks.
You give thanks. You go on again.
I'm not a greedy person.
True.
Anytime he sell, he sell.
He sell.
When he sell, he come. If he not sell anything, come to me, still give
We still give thanks, because we still have a life to try again. That is it. One love here. Right. Take it easy. Yeah. A Jamaica walk by. You probably can go on your phone and go on YouTube. Yeah. Jamaica walk by. Yeah.
Alright, now go look at it.
Alright, take it easy here. One love. Always nice to just hold a little conversation. You know what I mean? Yeah, life is beautiful. Life is beautiful. Oh, you have to give thanks. Blessed. Manners. See. start already. Alright, so we just jump out back and up on the main road. I don't know the main road there. We go towards the hospital and thing, but you know we not stay on this long because we walk the whole of this already. Go all the way to 4 Pass. So I'm gonna take the left turn down here so and branch off in some different place, some different part, you see me? Respect. Alright, so you don't know where I go across here, so yeah. Now, see? I can mute this. Yeah, no more time some of them internationally acclaimed songs are super hit songs I play. You don't want them get caught up in your video, you understand, because that name copyright and I don't want them thing inside that video because that's no problem, you understand. So we just try make sure say them not dead. Just like that. So let's do this. Let's go, man. So I ask some community and we walk through some community in a Maypen. Even if me say all of the names and things, if you're not from here, you're probably not going to know. One thing I can tell about Jamaica, a whole heap of places in Jamaica have the same name. You will have a Cherry Tree Lane or a Davis Lane in every community star. Good evening, good evening. I tell you, say, many of us grew up in our house like this, and I tell you, say, are some of the best days of our life. We will never forget it. Godfather, big up yourself now. Enough away. Grew up in some house like them, and I tell you, say, best days of our life, Papa. Manners, teacher. Yes, big boss. Manners, man. See? Big up to all the massive them we know them community here, man. Yeah, man. So I hope you appreciate that video, yeah. All the people them we love them walking videos, yeah. I know it go. You see? So if you don't love the vibe, you love the whole atmosphere of walking and seeing what Jamaica look like in our time, you know what I mean? Please, my beg on if you subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification. Seeing? Super beg on if you turn on the post notification on the channel, you see me? So yeah. So the road actually lead back out now on Glenmore Road. You see me? Yeah. Greetings, Godfather. So, yeah. Please, nobody reach thus far and don't like the video. That's all me ask you. Like the video and drop 2 comments. If you want to share it, you can share it. It's no biggie, but it's always great if you can share it to Facebook or send it to somebody who you know might live in the area from them time. You can just send it, go get them in. Yeah. No joke. Yikes. Don't know anytime Glenmore High School over, you know. The traffic start. You understand? So, traffic to go up at the school, you know. So you have Sharp Avenue on my left up so them car they turn off. So in our recent video I actually did walk that stretch from Glenmore and we head through Sharp Avenue and go through some other spot and go Mapen. So and I see how the walk is. A very good walk this. You see me? So I'm gonna go and watch. It's supposed to end the one here up at Glenmore High School and at Glenmore they're up the road. So we not have far left to go. Our recording studio there's a name Move Up Records. Move Up Records Studio. Never been over there though, but I know about it for a long time. Move Up Records, is it? Manners, see? Manners. Yeah. Never been over there, but I know that studio there for a good one. Move Up Records. Always a beast mode, isn't me? Always one Mark X. Beast, a skate. Pro beast me buck up and a chuck up there. But you go now. Somebody have to go let you in. See? Run the truck off our road. Cause you say you're turning again more. see this car in Jamaica skating, you hear that? Serve that is it. The Glenmore School. Yeah, man.
How about we traffic?
No, they off them.
Glenmore School, so what's it? Yeah. Tell me I'm going to one up at Glenmore School and thing, but I don't know Glenmore. And the traffic like wow. Like that go straight down to Anderson Drive. So big up to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video, man. And nothing but love. It's been a great walk. Don't know reach at the Glenmore School. Big up to all the Glenmore people them. So the alma mater, yeah. And thing. See? Yeah, one love. No joke, no doubt. Blessings and love to all. Make sure so you watch the rest of videos them for me there, please. See? That is it.